So again, I just showed you all these, entries, and you can enter at these different times. Once price made a lower low, make a lower high, boom, get some type of candlestick pattern entry again. At the top, you enter at the high, boom, made a lower low. You just want to make a lower low again, it'll stop, make a lower high, boom, show us the type of candlestick pattern at a psychological level, enter again, boom, stop, boom, make a lower high, boom, show some type of candlestick pattern at our psychological level, take profit 13, enter again, break below take profit 13, goes to take profit 12, stops here, boom, at 1931, goes, makes a lower high in 1941, 1935, shows us a black candlestick pattern again, boom, enter for a trade at take profit 12, breaks below take profit 12 to next take profit level is take profit, next take profit level is take profit 11, boom, from take profit 12, boom, to take profit 11, breaks from take profit 12 to take profit 11, makes a lower high before, going to make a lower low, back it down again, or make a lower high, shows us another candlestick pattern, boom, bearish engulfing pattern again, black candlestick, yellow candlestick, black candlestick engulfing a yellow candlestick, could have entered again for our fifth entry, boom, and rolled it, from take profit 12 back down to take profit 11, 1915, boom, it breaks back up, goes back up, makes a lower high, boom, to 1925, shows us our candlestick pattern, yellow candlestick, star, black candlestick. We could have gotten for our seventh entry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, seventh entry, and we could have traded that from 1925 all the way down to 1877, boom, and got out the trade once price stops at 1877, boom. I just wanted to go over that game. We had to put everything together, when it comes to live trading, and you could have gotten for entries, right here off of all these times. Once price made a lower high, shows us some type of candlestick pattern. As I just showed you, we just went over this, and could have had once price made this lower high, shows some candlestick pattern, it'll make a lower low, and stops here at 1877, boom, and got out this seventh trade, this seventh entry. You could have had 7 trades going on, 7 different entries I just showed you, and it stops at 8 from 1925, our last entry, and at 1925, and wrote it all the way down to 1879. Boom, it stops here and got out the trade. So I just showed you different entries. I just want to give you different trading strategies. Just switching it up. So all for your psychology to help you make money in this market. So I hope that helps gang, and you can see price was in a downtrend. Price was in a downtrend, making what, lower lows and lower highs and lower lows and lower highs and lower lows, all the way down to take profit 1878. Of course, you could have rolled this also, if you was, this is more like if you're just like, I guess, scraping, if you want to say, and you're just, trying to take, you can get in from one trade to one trade, got out the trade, course, once price stopped here, made a lower high, got in, got out the trade, boom, once price made a lower high, boom, made a lower low, boom, got out the trade, made a lower high, made a lower low, boom, got out the trade, made a lower high, made a lower low, boom, got out the trade, and of course made a lower high and then made a lower low, making structure, and boom, got out the trade all the way down to 1878, and we've been in a downtrend, and this is kind of like if you just want to trade, this, once from, trade to trade, from take profit level. When price makes a lower high, you can just get out, makes a lower low, you can just get out the trade, wait for price to make a lower high again and get back in the trade. You don't have to swing trade this or day trade this, as I would say. As this is day trading, from 1974 all the way down to 1878. You have to have a lot of patience to do that, to actually day trade. That's going to take all day. It's going to take all day, as it took from February 24th, from what time? From 5:45 a.m., I believe this is, all the way down to, 5 o'clock Eastern time, and price closed, at 5 o'clock Eastern time. It took time for this was the whole day, and if you want to day trade this, you just have to allow this to happen all day. You have to know price is going to make a lower high and make a lower low. You have to allow that to happen. You have to be comfortable with that, and you could have just day traded this all day, all the way down to, take profit 8, from take profit 14, from 1974 all the way down to 1878. So that's another strategy. I show y'all that strategy all the time. When I tell you can swing trade it, you can day trade it. You know, if this as this happens from February 24th to February 24th, you could have day traded that as well. You know, I just wanted to give y'all different strategies, you know, and help you know make money in this market. You know, different strategies. This will help with your psychology. You know, so this is all the times you could have enter in this market. You know, for entries. You know, all these times. Another strategy also. Boom. Once price makes once price makes this high right here, it'll break this trend line. Boom. Once price breaks this trend line, you could enter. Boom. Again, once price, makes a lower high, once price makes a lower low, it'll make a lower high. Boom. Once price breaks, once price breaks this trend line, you could enter again. Boom, and roll this back down. Boom, for a lower low. Boom, here again as well. Once price makes a lower low down here, boom, and breaks this trend line. Boom, you could have got in for our third entry once price breaks this trend line. Boom, and roll this all the way down to take profit 12 from take profit 13 to take profit 12. Boom, and got out the trade. When it stops there, then what does price do? It makes a lower high back up to here from 1931 all the way up to 1941. Draw your trend line. Once price breaks this trend line, boom, could have got in at 1935. Once price breaks this trend line, and rolled it from take profit 12 all the way down to take profit 11. Boom, it breaks down to take profit 11 after breaking this trend line. Boom, again, I'm just giving you trading strategies, different strategies, trying to switch it up, gang. Just giving you different strategies, to help you make money in this market. As I like to trade like this as well. Boom. Once price breaks this, once price goes all the way to take profit 11, what does it do? It goes all the way back up to 1930. Boom. It shows us this bearish engulfing pattern, breaks this trend line, and you could have gotten for our fifth entry, from 1930 and rolled this 1929 and rolled this all the way back down to 1915. Boom. And, got out this trade. And again, price would make what? A lower high. It makes a lower high. Boom. All the way back up to 1925. Boom. And breaks this trend line. Once price breaks this trend line, boom, you can enter. You can enter for a trade once price breaks this trend line at 1925. And of course, we don't see price, making lower lows no more. And from 1925, this is our seventh entry, and you could have rolled this all the way down to 1878. 1878. And got out the trade. And I just wanted to show you that. Gang, I wanted just to go over that, and give you another, just giving you more strategies, to help you take profit. And once price breaks these trend lines, you're in profit. Once price breaks these trend lines, you're in profit. Here, boom, breaks this trend line from 1974 to 1950, you're in profit. Boom, take profit. Boom, goes back up to 1965. Boom, goes down to 1952. Boom, from 1965 to 1952, you're in profit. Boom, take profit. Heads back up to 1958. Boom, could have gotten at 1955. Boom, and wrote it all the way down to 1930. Boom, and breaks this trend line, and you're in profit from 1955 all the way down to 1930. Take profit 12. Boom, you're in profit. Boom, it heads back up to 1942. Breaks this trend line at 1935, 1941, around this area. You could have broke this. You could have rolled this. Once price breaks this trend line from 1935 all the way down to take profit 11, 1915. From 1935 to 1915, you're in profit. Boom, all the way in profit. And then from 1913, 1914, it heads back up to 1931. Boom, breaks this trend line, shows us some candlestick pattern, bearish engulfing pattern, breaks this trend line, goes all the way down from 1930 to 1915. You're in profit. Boom, and then this last time from 1915, it heads back up to 1925. Shows us an even star pattern, breaks this trend line. You could have gotten for our seventh entry from 1925 and rolled it all the way down to 1879, and you're in profit. Boom, gang. So just wanted to go over some different strategy. Once price breaks this trend line, you can enter and you're in profit, and this is how we can trade, this is how I trade, too, as well, and of course we already know once price goes from take profit, it goes to the next take profit level, take profit 12, take profit 11, take profit 10, all the way down to take profit 9, take profit 8, boom, 1877, and then we're out the trade. You know, so I hope this helps, you know, with your psychology game. I'll be dropping a lot more videos for you. Gang!